StrayAllDay.com.
Getting into free throw shooting technique. Me, when I shoot my free throws, anybody that ever teaches or coaches free throw shooting will tell you it's all about rhythm. You have to figure out a rhythm for yourself, however you want to do it. Different players do it different ways. Me, I like to dribble the ball anywhere from 1 to 3 times, depending on how I'm feeling at that moment. Bend my knees and finish up on my toes. You see I raise up on my toes a little bit when I jump. Now you see that little hole right there? Any basketball court with a wood surface is going to have that nail hole right in the exact middle of the free throw line. So that's where I line up my toe, my right toe. You see how I'm lining it up right there in the middle. That's what I'm looking for every time I step to the foul line. And if you look at it from a different angle, you see I'm going to take 1 to 3 dribbles, bend my knees a little bit, and go right in rhythm up on the shot. And I like to finish up on the top. You'll see how I raise up on my toes a little bit when I go up to finish the shot. Hold my follow through and see the ball all the way into the basket. Free throw shooting, again, is all about rhythm. So figure out a rhythm that works for you, then get up as many shots as you can until you can't miss. Mostly by Chris Paul, where you put a spin on the ball in one hand. So you see I go behind the back, little jump stop as I put the ball around my back, and then I go.